we're going to make the best roasted garlic using chive flowers, lemon, ginger, and extra organic virgin olive oil with lemon. And all you have to do is pick that off right there, and then kind of rub it, and rub off. So we're going to cut off the top and then leave the rest. That one had a bad garlic in it, but we took it out. So we'll do the next one. So just take it and peel it. There we go. And just cut off the top. Okay, so we got the top cut off of that one. Okay, so I got 3 of them cut and on the top. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a touch of this ginger and we're going to slice a little bit and sprinkle it on top. Super immune boosting. Okay, so we got ginger. Okay, so we got a little lemon. We're going to squeeze. Get it some immune building. And then we got a little rosemary. Okay. We'll take a little bit of the extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit on each one. Okay. Then we get our chive flowers and we just kind of sprinkle the chive flowers on top. Like that. We set the oven for 350. Sprinkle a little salt on top. And then wrap it up. You can wrap it like that if you like. Or you can wrap it like this. Or you can wrap it like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can wrap it like this, or that. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes, and then we're going to check it out and see what it looks like, and I'm going to show you what you can do with it. But those are the 3 different ways you can wrap it. I wish you could smell this. Oh my God, look at that, oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I'll open up this one. Oh, whoa, look at that, look at that. Look at this. Oh, ooh. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Those are great. Then take them out of here and we're going to make an awesome paste out of it. Let me show you. Okay. They come out real easy. See? Just take it. Dump it. Take it. Dump it. There's one right here. Take it. Dump it. And just do that until you fill it up. Okay. Do this while it's hot. Just a touch of pepper. I'm going to put a touch of my organic salt blend. Sky's beet salt. Looks real good, doesn't it? With more flowers in it. It has roses and hibiscus and jasmine in that. Touch more oil. Not too much, just a touch more. That's about a tablespoon. And then we smash it. And once you smash it, you have created an awesome paste. Okay. And touch more lemon. Okay. And put that back. Yeah. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. See? Now that is awesome. That looks really, really good. Take walnut, and you could sprinkle in a little cup of little walnut. And then you're making it twice as tasty. So you can dip that with crackers or chips, or you can make your own flatbread and use that. So either way, it's good. Yum. So, if you enjoyed the recipe, leave those comments below like I said, and let me know. But if you care to, I got that PayPal, me, and Venmo. But if you want to contact me for more recipes and how you can extrapolate upon that, contact me at feministnewsn@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe on that YouTube channel and that Facebook page. And remember, I'm that soulful progressive one on Twitter, got that rant of the day on Blogger, and I'm no longer that one-woman team, but I got the news crew. So thanks for joining, and let your friends know that this is without commercials, just straight video. So, thanks for watching. Peace. See the smile behind my mask. How long will it last? Stimulus going fast, government won't act. How long will this be going on? I'm standing here in line.